This guide will show you how to assemble your H6B waterless humidification system. Begin by attaching the adapter ring to the mask shell. Connect the top clip first before connecting the bottom clips. Press firmly until all clips snap into place. Then attach the nasal seal to the adapter ring. Make sure the nasal seal is clipped securely around the circumference of the adapter ring. Connect the adjustment arm bar of the appropriate size to the mask shell by squeezing the sides of the arm until it fits into place. Slide the arm bar into the forehead piece and attach the forehead pad. Connect the headgear to the forehead piece with the two hook and loop straps. Then loop the top headgear strap through the slit on the side of the headgear. Insert the HME into the HME cartridge using the plastic pin in the center. Avoid touching the HME media. Attach the Transcend H6B hose to the mask shell. You will hear an audible click when the HME cartridge is in place. Secure the Transcend H6B hose to the headgear using the fold-over hook and loop strap. Connect the Transcend H6B hose to the CPAP. The Transcend H6B waterless humidification system is completely assembled. If you have any questions, call 1-877-621-9626. Please watch all of the video user guides to fully understand your new Transcend. Then enjoy the freedom to sleep anywhere.